New quarter has begun and I'm majorly ramping up my crypto trading. So given it's a new quarter, we're going to do a big update. I'm going to share exactly how I'm looking to profit off of the market moves for the next few months. Quick look at the monthly and we can see we've had an extremely green year. Now it pales in comparison to the huge downtrend we've had from November 21st down to about September 1st, 2022. So a year of extreme downtrend, and now we've had 6 going on 7 months of decent uptrend. Looking at it on the weekly, this can be viewed as a healthy retracement of a downtrend. Now, these are not my strongest thoughts, and I do think this is bullish with lots of opportunities to make money on that front, and I'll share those. But we don't want to be blind to the other side of the argument. Firstly, just take a look with Fibonacci levels. We draw this down to the bottom of the move from the top, and we can see that we've recently claimed and broken out from the 236 level, which is fantastic, but we're approaching 2 big resistances. Firstly, the 100-week moving average, getting above this will be difficult, no doubt. And we've actually got the entire area up to about 36K over there. That's synchronous with the 0.382 level, which again, would be a very healthy retracement. So in either situation, price goes down for a year, has a healthy retracement back up to the 100-week moving average or the 382 level, comes back down, continues to float sideways before breaking up to 60K or next all-time highs, whatever, next bull market. That's very healthy. That's very normal. And there's always the probability of further breakdown into new support and then moves back up. None of these are ruled out with the current state of the market. Now that we've got the bearish macro stuff out the way, let's go on to the bullish. And there's plenty. Now, if we take a look on the daily, you can see the moving averages are on the verge of another breakout like we had here. All of them fanned out and uptrend commenced. We've had a very bullish period, first 6 months of this year, beautiful market structure, bit of a mini downtrend over here where price was shaky, tested the key 25K level, which if we zoom out is one of our most important levels. It's when structure really shifted to the upside, and it was fantastic actually to see that hold. So price held this structural level and now has broken up to the top of the range, which I will establish for you guys. So I think the range we were in for a few months was this over here, 25K synced with the structural level as the bottom. Then we go up to about 30K over here as the upper end. Now you could have taken 31K, but there wasn't enough data. This is just a quick deviation. We've got multiple points here supporting the 30K level, and we've got the 30K psychological level. We saw it act as resistance here, and then it seems to have flipped over here. So I'm very happy with 30K being the top of this range. And then there's this important midpoint level as well to pay attention to. So we draw our fibs, you take a look at the 0.5, it's about 27.5. Now I've been very successful trading around this 27.2K level. This has been very effective for me. You can see support over here and then stayed very strong here, never really disrespected. One deviation here, then resistance breakdown, then acted as a breakout level up to 30K. So very important level around this 27K level. And I will show you guys how to trade all of these in a moment. Then another level you could be paying attention to, and I will pay attention to this, was previously about 28.5 mix over here. Yeah, about 28.5 is another significant level that you can pay attention to on a breakdown play. But if I were to isolate to just 3 levels I'd watch for this range, these would be the ones. But we're no longer in this range. We are just above it. And I'm going to zoom in to the 4-hour to show you exactly what we're looking at. Upper part of this range will be around about 31K over here, which is synced up exactly with the previous high. So this 31K level is what we're watching on the upside, and then 30 slash just down here to about 29.8K. So you probably take it a little bit lower, are the 2 levels we're watching. So right now, given the recent explosive move up, I'm looking for a breakdown or breakout. Breakdown to this direction, breakout to that direction. There's no clear story with the candles. Big breakout there, big red candle here that everyone was panicking over here before we got any sort of confirmation because of some news. Listen, this is why you need to use the charts as much as you can. A news event will make you think, oh, big red candle, everything's going down. I don't need to stick to my system. I'm just going to enter a short. We're going down to 27.2K. No way we're going back up. But what really happened is a bunch of shorts got trapped over here. Then price started floating up like this, straight back into this tight consolidation zone that we're in right now. And this is definitely a consolidation zone. I mean, we go to the weekly and that's really what we've had, a week of consolidation with some volatility testing the lower and upper parts of this zone. This next candle here, we'll wait patiently. Either we see more sideways or hopefully a move up / down. Just pay very close attention and play this at the extremities. At this point right now, it's very difficult to know which direction the price is going to go in. I would not hold a position in here. Gun to my head, I'm betting on upside. If we do go towards the upside, the first target I'm paying attention to is 36K. Now, the reason I like the 36K level over here as an upside target is firstly how cleanly it fits in with the data. Solid support there, resistance with a little bit of deviation over here, and then acted okay, not the best around Jan 21. We go to the daily and it still fits in very nicely. The single most important thing alongside the data fit would be that this was a really key structural level before we saw a big breakdown over here. Just like this would be the next big structural level that we've been watching. Like, do we get away from this zone that the price stayed in from May 22 back to Jan 22? This is a lot of how I view the price data. This is the advantage of trading one asset for a long period of time. I have vivid memories, journal notes, and data about how price behaved at different price levels, and discretionarily can attach a decent number of discretionary importance to levels. So that's to the upside. It'll be a pretty beautiful breakout with just one potential trouble area around 32K because that was the top of this little bit here. Now, I don't know if this is enough data for it to act as a resistance. We zoom back out far enough. I'm sure we can fit some points in there. I'm betting no. I don't think the market needs the 32K level to decide its direction. Once we get above 31K, it's decided its direction towards the 36K, and I will be aggressively trading that. Then to the downside, we're back in this range-bound environment. Really nice breakdown play, looking for 27.2K. Now, this isn't as clean as the upside play because we've also got about 28.5 here, where some stuff might go wrong, and this messes with the risk-reward ratio a bit of this play. And generally, I'm just better at aggressive play breakouts than these sorts of tight breakdowns. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, I know you are serious about your trading. Now, if you're looking for super complicated strategies that need 1000 IQ, or you just want signals, someone to tell you when to buy and sell, I'm not going to be able to help. Or you're too busy to work at least 1 hour a day, I'm not going to be able to help you. Enjoy the videos, and I wish you the best of luck. Now, if you're serious about trading, but you haven't been able to find a reliable strategy that works and makes money for you, you have unpredictable income, sometimes you make money, sometimes you lose money, you want the freedom to travel anywhere in the world, maybe get a new, consistent, reliable income stream, and you want to work with professionals. If you want that, check out the Zero Complexity System. I talk about this confidently because every single day, traders following our system are posting real wins. Not signals that they copied from us, but strategies they've developed working with us and using our systems. If you want something proven that works, even in the worst bear market, check out the link in the description below.